Alright guys, this is the Respawn S110 unboxing. Just kind of how to put it together. This is just me opening the box and kind of so you have an idea of how much stuff is in here. Surprisingly, it's not as much as I thought it was going to be. The screws and bolts are very small, which I really liked. That means you don't have to do too much to get this up and going. But this is all the parts that are included in the box. First thing you want to do is you want to take the legs out and spread them. As soon as you do that, you'll just flip it over on its back, and you're going to insert all the leg rollers on the bottom of this, which is super simple. I think the whole process of setting this chair up took about 15 minutes, and this is the second one of these that we've bought, and we really like it. Depends on where you get it from, but they're anywhere from $120 to $170. I believe Sam's Club had them the cheapest. Once you put the legs on, that's pretty much it. For the bottom, now you're going to insert this part. Just going to make sure the little red dot is pointed up, and you have those little canisters that go over it, largest to smallest. There'll be 3 of them. And then once you do that, you're going to grab this little box that goes in the middle on the bottom of the chair. It has your up and down lever and your lock lever. And then there's 4 bolts that screw in with the washer, and it comes with this little hex Allen wrench, which makes it super simple. But you're going to do all 4 of these. Like I said, this is a really cool chair. I want one myself, but I got one for both of my sons, and they both really like it. So if you want a chair that's easy to put together, and it really is a good gaming chair. But you're going to take the seat as soon as you get all 4 of those screws down and pop it on. I'm not going to admit, we were a little excited to see it that far along. And we're only about like 5 minutes into putting this chair together, so super excited that it's this easy. You're going to lift the top on, and there's only 3 screws down here. And you're going to put washers and screws, washers and bolts right here, 3 of them total, and use your Allen wrench again. Like I said, this is super simple, guys. No time at all, 15 minutes max. Just finishing up here, tightening it up. But overall, so far, we really like this chair. The kids have used it a heck of a lot, and they've fallen asleep in it a couple times. But overall, for the price, I like it a lot because it's so easy to put together. And if you absolutely had to, it'd be pretty easy to take it apart, or at least to take it apart where you could store it. Now we're going to put on the arms that we put those 3 bolts in. And on the arms, there's only 2 bolts on each side. You're going to use the same Allen wrench you've been using for this whole process, and you're going to do both of these. And then once you do get them in, they have a little bitty cover that you put on there, and that hides the hole to make it look fancy. Here we go. Here's the other one. Like I said, I did speed this up a little bit. This whole video lasts 5 minutes, but the whole process took about 15. You're not missing very much of me putting this together. I just wanted to save you guys time. But overall, like I said, we're super excited. This is a really cool chair. Like I said, I'm going to get me one as well. We already have, this is our second one. And the boys really like it. It does come with a little pillow right here that you put up top for your head. It looks kind of out of place, but whenever you start using it, very cool. It does go back all the way, so I mean you can lay pretty much flat on this thing. It does roll out, and you can lay your legs up, but and you can go back a little bit and lock it in place. It also has this pillow for your lumbar. And this is what it looks like when it's all put together. But overall, I would highly recommend this chair. Super easy to put together, and so far we love it. Thanks for watching.